A colonoscopy is performed using a flexible tube called a colonoscope, which has a light and tiny camera at the tip. It's gently inserted through the anus, allowing the doctor to examine the entire lining of the colon. If any polyps are found, they can often be removed during the same procedure, which helps prevent colon cancer from developing. The exam typically takes about 30 minutes and is done under sedation. You might be wondering, what do polyps have to do with colon cancer? It actually begins when the DNA inside the cells lining the colon mutates. These changes can cause the cells to grow and divide faster than they should, forming a small polyp. At first, polyps are usually benign, but over time, if additional mutations occur, the cells can start to behave abnormally. Eventually, they may grow uncontrollably, break through the colon lining, and become cancerous. This transformation can take up to 10 years, which is why screening is so important. Once a polyp is removed, it's sent to a pathology lab, where it's examined under a microscope. This step is essential because not all polyps are the same. A pathologist will determine the type of polyp, and that information helps guide follow-up care. For example, if the polyp is benign and no others are found, you may not need another colonoscopy for 10 years. If precancerous changes are present, your doctor may recommend a repeat exam in 3 to 5 years. If cancer cells are detected, additional testing will be needed to determine the extent of the disease. Proper bowel preparation is key to a successful colonoscopy. It allows your doctor to clearly view the colon lining and detect even small polyps. Preparation starts with a low-residue diet 5 days before the procedure. This means avoiding hard-to-digest foods like nuts, seeds, raw fruits and vegetables, and whole grains. Instead, choose low-fiber options like white bread, rice, pasta, well-cooked or canned vegetables without skins, lean meats, eggs, and small amounts of dairy. The day before the procedure, you'll switch to a clear liquid diet. This includes water, apple juice, plain tea or coffee without milk, and electrolyte drinks. Avoid red or purple liquids, as they can resemble blood during the exam. You'll also take a laxative solution, typically in 2 doses, one the evening before and one early the morning of the procedure. This triggers frequent bowel movements to fully empty the colon. Most patients are able to resume normal activities the following day. However, because sedation is used, you'll need someone to drive you home afterward. Thank you for watching. If you're interested in learning more, feel free to check out my videos on the warning signs of colon cancer or how the digestive system works.